Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Ram versus the Viper. We'll explore their core design philosophies and intended uses. Understanding these differences is key to deciding which vehicle best suits your needs. One is a powerful workhorse, while the other is a thrilling, track-ready machine. Let's dive into what makes each vehicle unique and where they truly excel. When it comes to performance, the Viper is engineered for raw speed, often boasting over 600 horsepower from its V10 engine. It's a pure sports car, designed to dominate the road and track. The Ram, however, focuses on robust power for work, with engines built for impressive torque and towing capabilities, easily handling over 12,000 pounds. Each excels in its own power domain. For practicality, the Ram shines with its versatile utility. It offers ample seating, a large bed for cargo, and the capability to tow substantial loads, making it ideal for work or family adventures. The Viper, on the other hand, is a two-seater with minimal storage, prioritizing a thrilling driving experience over everyday convenience. Its design is purely for performance, not hauling groceries. The driving experience is vastly different. The Viper provides an intense, visceral connection to the road, a true driver's car. The Ram offers a commanding view, a comfortable ride, and the confidence to tackle tough jobs. Regarding cost, the Viper generally commands a premium price due to its specialized performance, while Ram trucks offer a broader range of options to fit various budgets and needs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.